Hey guys, it's Kat. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're unboxing the brand new iPhone 15 Pro Max in natural titanium. Let's get into it. This new iPhone is made from 95% recycled titanium, and it is noticeably lighter than the 14 Pro Max version that I have right here. Everyone was so excited when the action button was announced. This is basically a quick shortcut to your favorite features. You just hold this to launch the action. Different options include focus, camera, flashlight, and translate. I'm definitely going to create custom shortcuts to make my life easier by using the action button. I want to do things like turning on my lights, unlocking my front door, or even playing music. This button is going to be very useful if you love taking spontaneous photos like me, especially on vacation or traveling to a new city. It's great to be able to just quickly click on the action button and capture the moment. If you're a content creator or photographer or just value having an amazing camera in your pocket at all times, this phone might be worth the upgrade. You'll actually have 7 pro lenses in your pocket with the longest telephoto lens of 5 times zoom. You'll now actually be able to zoom in cinematic mode, which takes your videos to the next level. You now no longer have to switch to portrait mode when you want to take portrait photos, which I think is really convenient. I know a lot of times I don't have enough time to go to portrait mode, so now you can just take a regular photo, and after, when you're editing, you can switch the depth of field and perspective as well. In the keynote, they actually mentioned that later this year, we will be able to shoot spatial videos and view them on the Apple Vision Pro. That is going to be absolutely incredible, and it's really cool. You'll be able to shoot them on the new iPhone 15 Pro models. If you're a professional photographer, a cool thing to know is the Capture One app, where you can plug in your iPhone 15 Pro series into a monitor and watch your shoot in real time. I was actually able to play the new Resident Evil 4 remake, and the gameplay was pretty beautiful. Paired with the speed, graphics, and 2000 nits of brightness, this phone was really amazing to game on. Now with the new USB-C port, you're actually going to be able to charge your AirPods Pro 2 with your iPhone. This is going to come so clutch when you're at the gym and your AirPods die, or when you're traveling. This is so handy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to hit like and subscribe, and let me know down in the comments which iPhone 15 model you like the best, the iPhone 15 Pro models or the iPhone 15s. And stay tuned, I'll be creating a lot of customization videos with my new iPhone 15s. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. I'll see you soon.